Hi guys, Soccer Lupita. Yup, I look fucking ugly. I know. Oh well. We're back with another video, another Halloween look. This time it's Annabelle. As I guess you can tell. Yeah. If you'd like to keep watching, if you'd like to see how I created this look, keep watching and I'll show you what I did and what I used to create this look. Well, I hope you enjoy. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this Halloween look. If you have any other Halloween looks that you'd like to see me try, comment them down below. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like. If you'd like to see more of these videos, or any other kind of looks, I guess. Also, if you'd like to follow me on my social media accounts, it'll be in the description and at the end of the video. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.